Razor bumps after a quick shave, irritation from dull blades, trimmers that pull instead of cut cleanly. Personal grooming deserves better tools than what most people settle for. A quality bikini trimmer delivers smooth, comfortable results without the nicks, redness, or discomfort that cheap options cause. We've tested the best bikini trimmers to find which ones deliver gentle precision, skin-friendly design, and genuine comfort for sensitive areas. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, you'll find the links in the description below. Number 6. Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit. Complete grooming starts before the trim even begins. This comprehensive kit understands that genuinely smooth results require proper preparation, not just cutting hair, but caring for skin throughout the process. The rotating exfoliating brush head primes skin beforehand, helping minimize ingrown hairs that often plague the grow-out period after shaving or trimming. Versatility defines this kit's appeal. 4 distinct attachments cover every grooming need: a standard bikini trimmer for precision shaping, an angled foil shaver for ultra-close results, the exfoliating brush for pre-treatment skin prep, and a clip-on guide offering 4-length settings for trimmed rather than fully removed hair. Whatever level of smoothness you're after, this system adapts accordingly. Wet or dry operation adds genuine flexibility. Use it during your shower routine for convenience, or dry for more controlled precision trimming. For anyone wanting a complete multi-purpose system that handles exfoliation, trimming, and close shaving in one kit, this delivers comprehensive value. The thoughtful attachment lineup means you're not purchasing separate tools for different needs. Everything works together as a unified grooming solution. Number 5. Bush Balm The Francesca Body Plus Bikini Trimmer. Ergonomic design meets genuine cutting power in a trimmer built for confident handling. The contoured shape fits naturally in hand, making it easy to navigate curves and tighter spaces that flatter, boxy trimmers struggle with. Ceramic blades handle even thick, coarse hair effortlessly, delivering versatile performance across shaping, shaving, and full landscaping, depending on what your routine calls for. Whether maintaining a defined shape or going completely smooth, this tool adapts without struggling against stubborn hair texture. Battery life extends to 5 hours on a single charge. Genuinely impressive endurance that keeps this ready whenever you need it without constant charging anxiety. The included cleaning brush keeps blades performing at their best, with regular maintenance ensuring consistent cutting power session after session. Waterproof construction means you can rinse trimmings directly under your shower head, simplifying cleanup and letting this integrate seamlessly into shower routines. For anyone wanting a comfortable, genuinely powerful trimmer that handles thick hair with ease and fits naturally into shower-based grooming, this delivers thoughtful ergonomics paired with reliable performance. Number 4. Olov Electric Body Hair Trimmer. Whether you're squeezing in a quick touch-up or settling in for a thorough shower session, this trimmer adapts to whatever pace your grooming routine demands. Precision engineering helps reduce ingrown hairs while delivering the close, smooth result that makes a real difference in everyday comfort. The thoughtful ceramic guard protecting the metal razor blade is genuinely smart design. It prevents the tugging and nicking that ruins the experience with lesser trimmers, while still allowing for a remarkably close shave. That combination means smooth results without the anxiety that often comes with intimate grooming tools. 2 trimming guard lengths give you control over exactly how much hair stays versus goes, letting you customize results for different areas rather than committing to one uniform length. USB rechargeable convenience paired with a dedicated power dock means it's always ready when you need it. The compact size makes maneuvering and angling genuinely easy, even in tighter spaces. For anyone wanting a fuss-free tool that delivers a clean, close shave without leftover stubble or irritation, this hits the practical sweet spot. Number 3. Philips Norelco One Blade Intimate Pubic Groomer. Sensitive skin deserves a gentler approach, and this single-blade design delivers exactly that philosophy in action. Rather than chasing an ultra-close shave that risks irritation, this tool prioritizes comfort first, trimming hair down evenly without cutting so close that nicks, razor burn, and ingrown hairs become inevitable. The single edge cutter strikes a thoughtful balance, leaving hair at a comfortable length rather than scraping skin completely bare. That approach genuinely reduces post-grooming irritation, making this particularly well suited for anyone who's experienced redness or discomfort with traditional close-shave tools. The slim, maneuverable head navigates curves and creases with genuine ease, reaching areas that bulkier trimmers often struggle to access. A skin protective guard adds an extra buffer against direct blade contact, further minimizing irritation risk. USB rechargeable convenience and full in-shower functionality mean this integrates effortlessly into existing routines. For anyone with sensitive skin tired of post-shave redness, or who prefers a gentler grooming approach over an ultra-close result, this delivers thoughtful design that prioritizes comfort without sacrificing effectiveness. Number 2. Meridian Body Hair Trimmer. Originally engineered for tackling thick, coarse beard hair, this trimmer brings that same robust cutting power to body and bikini grooming with genuinely impressive results. Versatility extends well beyond a single use case. Underarms, legs, arms, bikini line, wherever smoothness is the goal, this trimmer adapts capably. That multi-purpose functionality means one tool genuinely replaces several specialized devices, simplifying your entire grooming routine into a single reliable option. 2 attachments provide flexibility for different hair lengths and grooming preferences, while USB rechargeable convenience keeps it ready whenever spontaneous grooming needs arise. Full in-shower functionality lets it integrate naturally into existing routines without requiring separate dry-only sessions. The ease of use stands out as a genuine highlight. Straightforward operation that doesn't demand a learning curve or careful technique to achieve smooth, even results. For anyone wanting serious cutting power that handles coarse hair confidently across multiple body areas, this delivers genuinely versatile performance for whatever grooming routine you maintain. Number 1. Schick Hydro Silk Trim Style Razor. 2 essential tools in one elegant design eliminate the constant juggling between separate trimming and shaving devices. This dual-ended approach pairs a waterproof bikini trimmer on one side with a 5-blade razor on the other, streamlining your entire grooming routine into a single cohesive tool. The trimmer side handles length management with genuine precision, backed by 4 attachments that adapt to different desired lengths and grooming preferences. Once you've shaped things exactly how you want, simply flip to the razor side for that final, ultra-smooth finish. The 5-blade razor curves naturally to your body's contours, significantly minimizing nick and cut risk during use. A shea butter-based moisture strip glides smoothly across skin, delivering a close finish without the tugging or irritation that plagues lesser razors. For anyone wanting maximum flexibility without cluttering their bathroom with multiple devices, this delivers trimming, shaping, and close shaving in one seamless routine. Whether maintaining a defined length or going for complete smoothness, this dual-ended design adapts to whatever result you're after. So there you have it. 6 exceptional bikini trimmers that make personal grooming comfortable and confident. If this video helped you choose the perfect trimmer, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal care reviews and grooming guides. Thanks for watching, and here's to smoother, more comfortable grooming.